Here we are at Quartzsite. Some of our customers came back to say hello to us, and maybe you could tell us how you like your campfire in a can.
We just love it. We think it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. We've got a lot of compliments on it and raves. Everybody says, "Where'd you get it?" And I always say, campfireinacaan.com.
And you were telling me a little story out there about the putting it under, using it one night when it rained and stuff like that.
Yeah, we're camped up by the lake, and we got our awning out, and of course we got our campfire there underneath the awning. It starts to rain, and everybody else is disappearing, and here we are, all nice and cozy, and our campfire's still going, and theirs is going out
Underneath the awning.
underneath
Yeah.
the awning. It was great.
Yeah. So you've had good experiences with your
We
campfire
love
in a
it.
can.
Yeah, we really enjoy it.
And at home when we had company over,
Yeah.
we were ready to go in the house.
Well, that was kind of an interesting story you were telling me.
Yeah, we had a bunch of friends over, and because we had some company from Arizona were up visiting us, and so we're all sitting around having a little wine. And anyway, it started getting a little cooler outside because it's Cheyenne, Wyoming. And anyway, I said, "Well, I guess we'll go in the house." My husband says, "Well, I'll go get the campfire." So we got the campfire out, and we all stayed out there and just enjoyed the stars coming out. That was fun.
You can't beat that. And your name again was?
Doug.
Doug and
Rose.
Rose, thank you very much. We appreciate you coming by and helping us out with
Oh,
our
you're
video.
welcome. Just want to tell you how much we enjoy it. It's a great purchase.
Thank you.
Highly recommend it.
Okay.